In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel to your Wix website. This process is quite simple and can add a dynamic touch to your site, helping you showcase multiple images in a captivating, interactive manner. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your Wix website editor. If you haven't done so already, log into your Wix account and go to the editor section for the site you'd like to work on. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a sidebar on your left. This is where you'll find most of the tools you'll need, and it's your main control panel while working in the Wix editor. Next, look for the option labeled Add Elements. Click on it and a menu will expand, revealing a variety of elements you can add to your page. These are the building blocks of your site, from text and buttons to galleries and forms. Now that you've opened the Add Elements menu, the next thing to do is click on Gallery. This will further expand into different gallery types that Wix offers. From traditional photo grids to more interactive elements like sliders and carousels, there are several to choose from. We're looking for the option under Gallery that says Slider Galleries. Click on it and you'll be presented with the various templates available to use. Once you've selected Slider Galleries, take a moment to browse through the designs. Find one that suits your style and the overall aesthetic of your website. When you've made your selection, click on it to add it to your page. Once the carousel is on your page, you might find that it needs some adjustments to fit your layout perfectly. Click on the small box surrounding it to adjust the size and position on your page. This feature is especially useful, especially if you have other elements on your page that you want to keep aligned or proportionate. Now, to populate your carousel with images, click on Change Images. This will open a panel that allows you to customize which images are displayed and in what order. Take a moment to decide which images you want to showcase, then go ahead and select them. If there are default images that came with the carousel template, you'll want to remove those to make room for your chosen visuals. Simply click on an image and use the Delete option to remove it. After you've cleared out any unnecessary images, click on Add Images to bring in your own. When adding images, you'll have the option to either upload new photos or select from existing media you might already have on Wix. If you're uploading new ones, click on Upload Media and select the files directly from your computer. Alternatively, you can choose Media from Wix to explore the images stored on your site or those available through Wix's library. Select the images you wish to include, then click Add to Gallery. This will integrate your chosen images into the carousel. After all your selections have been made, finalize your settings by clicking Done. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image carousel to your Wix website, ready to delight and engage your visitors with stunning visuals.